stage, and one of the wines that we are busy with is that of our escolhido. We keep that of our yeast cells within the bottle. So what you do see at the bottom there is yeast capsules, core white varieties that we have here on the farm. This is indeed our Blanco blend.
Thank you.
To create a white liquor. So we do very Pinot Noir-like. This is our Suzanne.
Say again?
Suzanne 2023 unreleased wine. We'll probably only release this wine in the next year and a half or two.
This looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah.